Okay, Nation, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button down below. Let's get straight into today's video. Wow, I feel so cute. So today I'm going to be filming an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing this new ring light that I got. I'm so excited because I've wanted a ring light for a while, and my mom finally got me one. So we're going to be unboxing that today. I'm so grateful and I'm excited. So let's get into it. Don't forget to hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you're new. Happy New Year. Please pass it. Why are you filming me? Bro, pass it.
I just so
Like, pass the ring light.
you're just so funny. I don't know why.
How am I funny? So I'm being my normal self and I'm funny. You guys, she's trying to call me a clown.
No.
A clown.
No, your normal self is funny. Your own normal self is still funny. You're just so funny.
I'm so excited. But yes, because it's literally bigger than me. I'm so excited. It is an 18-inch ring light.
Purr.
I did not ask you for. It is huge. Thumbnail. Okay. Let's unbox it. So it comes with this box and this thingy for the tripod. You guys messed up because I'm not patient. I already tore everything open, but I'm gonna unbox it properly now. Yeah, so it comes with this and the box. So we're going to start with this. This one is just a regular tripod like stand. Yeah. On to the big boy. It comes, there's a bag inside. Hold on. Let me go back. You guys see how poor my lighting is? Just imagine how good my videos are going to be now. Can you ever? Okay. Okay, this is address. Comes in this bag. I like that it comes in a bag because then like that means it's easy to like carry around and stuff, like just hug it. Yeah, I'm very excited. Anyways, so okay, the box is empty. So we're gonna open this. We're gonna open this. The moment of truth. Imagine if we open it and then like it's just foam that is inside. There's no ring lights. Shut up! So if you want details on this ring light, DM me on Instagram. I'll tell you everything. Price is 25k by the way, just in case you want to get price. But if you want to know like where I got and stuff, this is bigger than my head. Can you stop laughing? Like you're distracting me. I'm not that funny. Like relax, bro. I'm not that funny. So this is it. This is it. I'm very excited, you guys. Can you tell? Ignore my sister laughing like a mango, like a black mango in the background. It comes with this, like I think it's for plugging it here. So I'm going to plug this into it and this to the wall, blah 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 blah. It just comes with this. Then, oh, and it's not rechargeable by the way, like it doesn't come with a battery. I might get that later. There's more things for you guys. Oh, it's 3. It comes with 3 like phone stands. Can you put them at a time or for like if you use one or something? Okay, you can put all 3 of them at the same time. We'll set everything up to the video where but it comes with 3 of these. Yeah. Then more. That's my one. Oh, it comes with a remote. I didn't even see this. I'm done with this. It comes with a all the buttons. Obviously, it has buttons, but like it has. I don't want to come closer. Oh my god, you think you're so funny. So it has on, off, increase brightness, reduce brightness, neutral, and some other settings. Warm, cool, medium. So that's basically everything this comes with. I'm so disorganized. I'm not filmed the YouTube video in so long, but yeah, I'm sorry. Love you. Yeah, so that's everything that this comes with. Are you recording me, paparazzi?
No, I'm recording
Paparazzi,
myself.
you're recording me. You're recording me. Just go and watch my YouTube video. Subscribe while you're at it. It's rubbish.
Oh god.
So we're gonna set it up. Come and help me since you seem jobless today. Come and help me.
Like,
Just in case you want to take a
and
ring
it's
light.
like 5 a.m. in the morning, so that's why I'm wearing my PJs. So don't say
5 a.m. You guys, it's 4 in the afternoon. That's how they're bad, smelly. Anyways, so you unscrew this part, make sure it's empty, then put this in it. Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I'm going to do.
That's all I know. Oh wait.
Actually, for you.
Wait, is that what you're meant to do first? I feel like you're meant to do that, but like, I don't think that's what you're meant to do first. Oh. Kenny.
You broke your neck. You take it to the doctor.
You're not funny. You're actually not funny. Let me just tighten this a bit. Sorry.
You guys.
Okay.
See,
So,
I'm actually.
why is this not the height? So how do I now? Wait.
I'm never helping you today.
I'm so sorry. Come and help me. If you are not helping me, that's why, because this cannot be the height now. You guys
I
see.
feel like
It's not opening.
I feel like if I'm here, something bad always happens.
It's not opening now.
I don't know how to do
Wait,
it.
let's unscrew
I mean,
everything first. It's not working. Oh, okay. Can you pull it? You pull it. Oh! Man. Push back. Ow! You caught me. Okay, I think that's all. That's the maximum.
Okay.
Zip it. I said zip it. Close it.
From where?
It's me now. Close it. Okay, I think this is the height. Can you get to go and put it behind this so we can see how tall it is and stuff. I'm coming. I don't think this is the full height. We're still unscrew stuff, sir.
But this is how it. But I think it should be. Oh no, this is definitely longer than this. But for now, this is the height, guys. Definitely longer than this, Sha.
It's longer than this.
You can make it
Because
like
like the picture is like longer than this.
yeah.
Oh, okay. It's on!
Okay. This is you guys. Can you see it's taller than me?
And me too.
Stop looking at me.
So, why is it not going to like this?
I mean,
Should we close it?
yeah.
But it's too tall. Who is using it this high?
This is actually so tall. Like if you want to not do like, you have to tiptoe to like.
Oh shit!
Oh
Oh my god, can you hold this?
my god, who is this tall?
I didn't know it was this tall.
Oh my god, you guys, can you guys see it?
This is like so hold it, let me bring the camera. This is like unnecessarily
So
tall,
this is
but like
this is like 6 feet.
I
Or like 7
I think it's higher than 6 feet. Like that's like the top of my room.
Oh my god.
Ah! What the hell, you guys?
Such a lucky goat.
I'm the lucky goat. You can't even say lucky. I can't.
Lucky shouting there.
You guys, it's so long, but obviously we're not going to be using it that high. Because what am I recording on top of my room?
No, somewhere like 6 you can actually use this ring light.
Shut up. That does not make sense. So we're going to bring it back down and set it up, put the lights and everything.
Yeah, with this guys.
So we're going to put all this in. I'm not going to put the 3 of them because that's just extra as hell. What's the cool one? This one's already open. You guys, so these are like the 3 spaces for the 3 of these holders and stuff. So you basically, I think you just slide it. You just slide it inside like this. It's still a little bit loose, so you're going to like screw it down. Yeah, that's it. And you bend this, so you can do it for here and here, but like we don't need all 3 right now, Sha. So I'm going to plug this to the ring light and plug it to the wall. The remote needs batteries for it to work, but like I don't have batteries right now, so I'm not going to use the remote today. But I'm not going to plug all this in for you guys to see. Because I'm just plugging it in. Are you guys ready? We're about to put it on. Is it on? Okay. Hi there.
Yeah.
I'm about to put it on.
I put it on.
I'm about to put it on.
Because oh.
Ah! Oh my god, this basically lights up my room. And then it has like different settings, like a warmer setting. It's not really, the camera isn't showing the settings, so I'm going to switch to ring light. Sorry. Can you come and close the curtain? This is so bright. You guys, look at the quality. Wait, let me just show them. Kind of off it. Let me show them how this would have looked without the ring light. Like off it. Check. Okay. So this is what you guys have been seeing. This is like this is the lighting and quality y'all have been dealing with. Wow, I'm sorry guys. But yeah, put it on. Can you come and look at this? That's why I did makeup today, because I really wanted to see how it would look with makeup. Let me put the phone in. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, it makes my makeup look so good. Is it just me? My makeup did not look this good before.
It looks good.
And it's also showing all the imperfections in my makeup as well. Cause what is this blending, KDJ? I'm so grateful for this ring light. I'm so excited. Wow. Can you come and change the settings so they can see like all the settings? Like the settings is on the side. So you guys can see like this is like a warmer setting. Turn it to the end. Yeah, my eye. Heck yeah, this is like the warmer setting. And then take it back to the cool setting. There's like a medium. Ooh. Girl, you ate that. Scrumbly yummy. I'm like purr. Guys, that's basically the end of this video. That's the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, details about this ring light, like where I got it from and all, will be just text me on Instagram. Yeah, we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.